Riders ready. Watch the gate.
That one felt right. I had no pressure on my front foot, and when I heard the beep, I pulled back and made my foot fire afterwards. Let's see what that looked like.
Riders ready. Watch the gate.
Ah, that's what you come back for. Man, that felt good. Ah, it's like the golf ball that goes right down the fairway. All right, drivetrain, I was out here earlier today, did about 10 minutes of gate practice. Gate starts here in the backyard. Also, just now, about 10 minutes, and it's feeling so good. Let's get it on Sunday at Richmond BMX opening day. Let's do it. Peace.